Try this sandwich and you will be happy you did.
Hi guys, and welcome to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we're going to make hot dog, pickles and cheese sandwich, and this is so like absolutely delicious. So if you want to see how we do this and you want to see the start and the end of this video, please keep on watching. And before you do this, you want to make sure you properly wash your hands. So we're going to start by cutting our hot dog into half. I'm going to microwave this, and I'm going to do it for just about 30 seconds. We have here rice.
And that means the vex say you carry plenty love. Concentrate for my head is so they start to contemplate how to end the love, how to separate me from this love. Them no fi comprehend this, the love in no fi get the end. Them no fi comprehend the why the love in no fi end. In no fi end. In no fi end. In no fi end. This is kind of love injury way mama. Go kiri kiri, oh kiri kiri, oh kiri kiri. I see as them they plot it. See as them they set it. See as them they provoke. I bet na them he go choke. I know love it we bamo. It we bamo. It we bamo. I know love